Funky Business is a famous book. Actually, this has come to my hand while I was doing a research on personal branding. So in Funky Business, it says that there is a surplus society with a surplus of similar business doing similar activities with similar people, with similar education, with similar ideas, and producing similar products, competing with each other. Actually, this is a good thing for the customer, but not a good thing for a salesperson. See, if the company brand does not have a difference, it is not good for the company. Also, if a salesperson doesn't have a differentiation in the market, he will get paid less. 3.66 people are graduating every year in India. They are with similar education, similar qualifications, similar resume, similar language, similar ideas. When 3.66 crore people talk along, that is talk together, what we hear? We hear blah 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 blah. This is not a good thing to feel. You should have a different brand in the market even before you are entering into the job market. Let's explain with the story about it. There is two girl. They are known as Bijani sisters. They are actually Iranian. They were conjoined twins. The head is like this. It's joined. So when they grown up, they convinced that they should undergo a surgery. Everybody around them told them that it is very dangerous. It is risky to undergo a surgery. But they have convinced. Lot of countries has rejected their request. For example, UK rejected their request to undergo surgery in UK. So finally, they convinced Singapore to carry out the surgery. So just before surgery, they have to sign a paper, right, to take off the risk from the doctors. So in that paper, they have written like, we would rather die as individual than live without any identity. The sad part is the surgery didn't went well. They died. But they separated and died. The point I'm talking is, even they want to be separate because they want a separate identity, risking their life. Their name is Laden and Lale. Laden want to be a lawyer. Lale want to be a journalist. Laden was extrovert. Lale was introvert. So these all things made them to think, risking their life to be separate. But what our graduates are doing, they don't want to be separate. They don't want to be identical, They don't want an identity. They are in the crowd. What my point is, an employer cannot spot you if you are in the crowd. So you be different. You build a personal brand upon your USP. You identify your USP. You can do that because everyone has a unique selling proposition. I have made that mistake of not identifying my unique selling proposition and add it to my personal branding. So you can find that. I want to end this by saying, once you identify your brand, what will happen is you will get paid more, because company want a person who will add more value to their organization. By having a personal brand, you are aware that you have some value, and that makes a difference in the society or for the organization. So build a personal brand. Start working on it today. I hope this helps. Thank you.